Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today our topic is speech delay. I'm Sanjida Sultana. Hope all of you are doing great. Your kid is suffering with speech delay? What is speech delay? Speech delay is a problem that some parents encounter when their child is not developing as fast as they would think. Understanding the speech delay symptoms is very important as there can be some challenges that arise if this problem is not handled correctly. What symptoms should you watch for? Let's have a look. Words are left out of a sentence. If the child tries to speak but words are left out of a sentence, this is one of the telltale speech delay symptoms to focus on. It's a thing to consider and it certainly has its fair share of challenges. Unable to say words that were already learned. In case the child finds it hard to say words that were already learned beforehand, that's a problem. It's a situation where the speech delay problems can arise, so an adequate treatment is required as fast as possible. Next one, not babbling by the age of 15 months. Every child should at least bottle when they have 15 months. If they don't bottle, it can be one of the speech delay symptoms to watch for. It's important to watch out for this as it does happen very often. Next, hard to create a sentence. If your child already is over a few years old and he can't create a sentence, that can also a symptom. You do want to talk with the doctor about this, but it's certainly a sign to focus on. Next one, poor articulation and pronunciation. This can be some of the speech delay symptoms that appear at times. It's definitely a sign that your child has trouble talking and that can be a speech delay issue you want to solve right away. Not following directions. If you try to help your child talk and he is unable to follow directions, that's certainly a thing to think about here. It can be a simple problem or other more significant. Not talking even if the child is years old. Again, this can be a speech delay sign and you must address it. Sure, it can be from intellectual disabilities, hearing impairments, autism, and so on. Regardless, it's a thing to address right away. As unusual tone of voice by 2 years old. If your child can speak when they are 2 years old, but their tone is very strange and unusual, this can also be an issue. Again, going to the doctor can indeed help there. Conclusion. There are variety of challenges that arise if you don't address the speech delay symptoms early on. That's why figuring out a solution might not seem like a lot, but it will be worth it. That's exactly why you want to watch out for symptoms and tackle them properly.